Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Children, welcome to your online class of subject Maths. Today we are recalling all the topics of our third lesson subtraction 1 to 10. Okay? In this video, we are recalling the concepts of subtraction. Sign of subtraction, subtracting 1, subtracting 0, subtraction on a number line, subtraction using an abacus, backward counting for subtraction, subtracting a number from itself, vertical subtraction, subtraction facts, word problems, and making both the sides same. Let's start. What is the subtraction? When the things are taken away, they are being subtracted. Here, let's count how many apples are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There were 9 apples. Okay. How many apples were eaten? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 apples were eaten. Let's count how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, there are 5 apples left now. The sign of subtraction is minus. The sign of subtraction is minus. How we will say this? See, from 9 take away 5. That means 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5 equals to 4. How we will write? 9, sign of subtraction is minus, 5 equals to 4. Okay. We will read it as 9 minus 5 is equals to 4. Okay. Next, subtracting 1. There were 6 bananas and 1 was eaten. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There were 6 bananas and 1 was eaten. How many bananas are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Which means when we subtract 1 from a number, we get the number just before the given number. Okay. What is the number that comes before 6? 5. See, 5. So, if we subtract 1 from a number, we get the number just before the given number. 2 minus 1, 1. 3 minus 1, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. Next, subtracting 0. Here you see there are 5 donuts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. None has been eaten. Means 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. So when we subtract 0 from a number, we get the same number. 4 minus 0, 4. 8 minus 0, 8. 6 minus 0, 6. 3 minus 0, 3. Next, subtraction on a number line. Subtraction on a number line. Here you see we have to subtract 3 from 6. So first put mark on 6. Then in subtraction always remember we will go backward sides. We have to subtract 3. That means we have to take 3 backward jumps. Okay. 1, 2, 3. After doing 3 backward jumps, we are reaching at 3. So, 6 minus 3 is 3. Okay. This is your number line. So, we have done subtraction on a number line. Next, subtraction using an abacus. Subtract 3 from 8. So, first put 8 bits on ones place. Then cross out the first 3 bits. Next, how many are left? There are 5 bits left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, this is subtraction using an abacus. Okay, let's do one problem. Here, we have to subtract 2 from 9. So, draw 9 bits on ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many you have to subtract? 2. 1, 2. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Okay. Next, backward counting for subtraction. This is also just like a subtraction on a number line. See, put a mark on 6, then take a jumps. How many we have to subtract? Those many jumps you have to take. Here we have to subtract 4 from 6. So first we are putting mark on 6 and then we are going 4 backward sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So we took 4 backward jumps. So 6 minus 4 is equals to 2. Subtracting a number from itself. If you subtract a number from itself, you will get 0. Okay. See here. Here we are subtracting 4 from 4. So take 4 backward jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4. So always remember, if you subtract a number from itself, the answer is always 0. 10 minus 10, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. So if you subtract a number from itself, the answer is always 0. Vertical subtraction. Till now we have did subtraction horizontally. So we are doing subtraction in vertical. So we can write it as this. 5 minus 2 is equals to 3 can be written as 5 minus 2 is equals to 3. Okay. When now you can see here 5 minus 2 is equals to 3. 5 minus 2 is equals to 3. So when you do the subtraction both horizontally or vertically, the answer is the same. Okay. Next, subtraction facts. For the number 1, we are getting 2 subtraction facts. And for number 2, 3. Similarly, for number 3, we are getting 4 subtraction facts. And number 4, 5 subtraction facts. And subtraction facts for 5 are 6. Subtraction facts for 6 are 7. Okay. Next, word problems. Here you can see there were 9 pairs in the basket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 pairs were in the basket. Out of those, 3 pairs were eaten. Okay, means you have to cross out the eaten pairs. How many pairs are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pairs. Okay, this is word problem. Next, making both sides the same. Here we have 4 dolls. 1, 2, 3, 4. But here only 1. So we are adding 3 more dolls here. Okay. Next, here 8 flowers we have. Here 9. So we did here addition. But here we have to subtract 1 flower to make both the sides equal. Okay. 8 can be written as 3 plus 5. Then 5 can be written as 7 minus 2. Okay. Thank you children and be ready for the next video.